Introductions for some Gordon Batman 2. Labi darām to liksim no game. Labi. Labi. Es to varu, draugi. Tas ir easy. Easy, literally. Es to varu. Es neesmu spēlējis par... Protams, jūs esmu izgājis par visas garmām. Nē, laikam neesmu visas, bet... Es varbūt kaut kad atkārtošu iziešanu visu. Protams, es video atkārtošu. Tādēļ man jāzina visu, ko daru. Tādēļ man jāatkārto, tā filmēšana. Es arī atmiņas, jo es pats skatīšos savus atmiņas, kā es to spēlēju. Jā. Te nav Zolfijas. Protams, nav Zolfijas tagad. Labi, izlasīšu tikai to ziņu. This is it. The things we done have finally come to bite us. Come back to bite us. Everything gone and its whisper from the abyss just keeping getting louder. I think I even saw a face or two looking up at me. We were told everything that gets thrown into the abyss dies, but it appears we were tricked. If you're reading this, take my advice and leave. Everything here should be forgotten and erased from history. Labi. Samadīgām. Kad viss jābūt izdāstam no vēstures. Es to varu, draugi. Jej! Drīzumā filmēšu, protams, pēc šitiem visam Gordon Batman. Bendy. Ink Machine. Jā, mums tā spēlē arī. Es nezinu, es filmēšu, protams, Hellfounded, jo tā spēle ļoti grūti. Tas, iziet. Jo es nevaru iziet Plush Baby minigame, un tā ir ļoti grūta. Jā.
Hey, you there. I can see you on the cameras.
To gan ir grūti
I am
iziet.
so happy to see you. And I need your help with something. Wait, can you even hear me? Hello? Listen, if you can hear what I'm saying, wave at any camera.
Es nevaru uztaisīt. Tā. Jā. Jā, skaties manīm, skaties.
Oh, thank God.
Yeah.
I'm so glad you're here. I thought this was the end. I was looking around and walked into the security room. Then the door closed behind me and I've been stuck inside since. It needs a light blue key card to open, but I don't have it. I know why you're here and I can help you, but you've got to get me out of here.
Labi.
If I recall correctly, only maintenance workers held the light blue key card. So you're gonna have to go down to the maintenance room and look there. The door there is probably locked as well, and I can't open it from here, but I do have control over the break room door. Here, I open it for you. See if you can find anything in there.
Labi. Tagad būs tā grūtā pūza. Kāpēc tas krāslis tik savādi? Es vienkārši lidoju prom. Izbeig no manīm. Labi. Droni. Droni, es saku, pieskaries. Jā, droni, jā, labs drons.
Oh, the good old drones. I lost mine a couple of weeks ago. Maintenance workers use them for all sorts of things, like...
Jā! Ko viņš teiks? Ko viņš teiks?
My memory is a little fuzzy, but I do remember something about management allowing workers with good scores to punch in later than those with worse scores. The better your performance, the later you're allowed to punch in. This was to encourage workers with lower scores to come earlier and perform better. Naturally, this meant that the person with the lowest score would be punching in first. To make sure that this was always the case, a system was set up to only allow the workers to punch in the perfect order that assumes that nobody is going to be late. Yeah, this system wasn't very well liked.
Paņemt. Tagad. Nesaka. Nesaka, vai tas uzkarās? Jā, laikam. Šis ir grūts. Ikā, nē, šis līmenis nav grūts. Viegls. Bet būs kaut kāds math misija, kaut kāda, kur jāatbild jautājumiem, un tas ir grūti. Protams, šīm minijiem tas jāzina. Un vienmēr sit šito. Sit šito. Tā. Tad tā. Un tad tā. Un aiziet tagad. Ko? Kas tas bija? Tas gāja cauri? Es redzēju. Jā, tas uzkārās drusku. Vidān, dažreiz notiek telefonos. Šis telefons nav tik powerful, kā visi saka. Un, protams, neviens tādu nesaka. Telefonas nav tik daudz iespējas. Holy crap. Holy crap. Holy... No, man ļoti bail. I'm really scared. Please, don't kill me. Viņš ir tagad augšās no skriņķiem. Te ir nāvnaps. Kur ir nāvnaps? Viņš ir augšā. Es domāju, kas ir nāvnaps? Viņa rādīja. Laikam. Es domāju. Laikam. Es dabūju keycard. Var doties. Jā. Visi droši. Var atkal wave tie camera? Man ir ideja. Ko? Viņš neatbild? Sādi. Nē. Nu! Ko tu izdarījāt? Nē, nedar to. Lūdzu, bamba. Beidz darīt man pāri vienreiz.
Three birds with one stone. I get only the
All
key
cards.
I get the perfect specimen. And I don't have to deal with the thing down there. And it's all thanks to you.
Kāpēc?
Oh, come on. I didn't hit you that
This is
hard.
again.
Or maybe I did. Either way, it's best you take a nap while I prepare for our little surgery.
Vispār, ko tu operēsi man? Oh my god. Oh. Holy crap. Kas, kur es esmu? Oh my god, oh. Paga. Tev vispirms viena lietiņa iedara dronu. No. Tā. Jā. Jā. Droniņi labi. Jā. To tagad ieter. Tev var iet tur. Ko? Tā. Tā, tagad. Jā! Šis nekārās tik ļoti. Šis pierada. Tas ir telefons. Tagad tā. Jā, drons. Tas ir labs drons. Tu nopelnīji daudz ko. Labi, es dušos. Yes! Es gribēju vispār Gunbummer 2 filmēt, bet tas ir cits video spēles pagarām, un tagad esmu gatavs taisīt Gornu Benben. Es gribēju drusku padarīt ilgāk, lai iznāk vairāk Gornu Benben daļas, jo tas varēšu filmēt. Tā tas strādā, draugi. Jo esmu mobile gamer, bet tagad es domāju, ka šodien arī publicēšu savus datorspēļu video. Augustā kaut kur. Es domāju, nezinu. Kāpēc ir brīvlaiks. Tad es taisīšu savu videospēļu video. Es domāju, jā, nopirkšu videospēlu. Un jā. Tad mēs filmēšu abas videospēles telefonā un datorā. Es izdomāšu, jā. Protams, gribam filmēt telefonā, tā man nebūs datorā jāpāk. Bet tāpēc varētu telefonā filmēt visu Gunbummer, jo šitas tikai pēc dažām nedēļām būs iznāca vai vienā dienā. Nezinu, tādēļ. Šī Gunbummer ātri iznāk telefonā. Tādēļ es varu nepierkt datorā. Jā. Tikai tie, kas pieraduši. Es neesmu tik ļoti pieredzis. Holy crap. Ko tu dari te? Ko tu dari? Labi. Ko tagad tev jāzina? Labi, man viss jāatver. Tad man jāatver arī šis. Labi, šis ir gatavs. Tā man jādabū šis sprits un jāšpicē visus Captain Ferols. Vismaz tas Captain Ferols. Tas sarkanais Captain Ferols. Atkal šis. Visu jau izpacēmies. Ko tu skaties tā? Wow, tu skaties dumīgi klasi vai? Elefant. Fish. Baby. Ko? Ko tu tur skaties, vecīt? Ko tu tur skaties? Aha. Čau, briekmanim. Man idejām. Man idejām. Izpriecāmies. Jā, izpriecāmies. Davai, cīplanēdiet. Cīplanēdi Captain Ferols. Davai. Tā patīk? Priecājos, draugs. Veseļojies. Labi dzīvi, draugs. Jā, man viņš tas puisis patīk. Labi. Es te apkārt sprīču skolītu. Vietiņu. Kur ielikt manas viņa asinis. Jā. Atveries. Raķi te labi. Ja nepieskārās, es domāju, ka man noķers. Tā man tad tas jāpaņem. Tagad tas. Un tagad var doties. Ziniet, draugi, saprat, ka katrā Gorn Building daļā ir citādāka krāsa. Tieši uz tām kontrols. Jā, es to sapratu. Zils tā, tev bija tā kontrols. Sāsams, nezinu, viss kaut kādas krāsas bija kontrolēm būs. Ko es filmēsim atkal. Labi, izgājam šito. Nāc pie manis, draugiņi. Nāciet pie manis. Nāciet pie mani, draugi. Yes. Lepi, tagad ir vidū. Zofijas, tu esi tagad te, draugs. Tu esi tagad te. Labi, tad ir drons, tad tu esi te. Tā tagad te. Ko? Beidzot. Tagad tev jādara šitā. Labi, tagad tev jādodas te. Tur, kur ir? Jā. Pagaid, tu taču vēl. Jā, esmu gudris. Smet. Tas tagad strādā. Es zinu, draugi, šis ir tāds līmenis. Wow! Šis, jā. Es to varu. Hei. Drusku bail, jo es zinu, kas būs. Es zinu, kas būs, draugi. Būs vispēdējošākā un grūtākais līmenis. Oh my god. Es to laikam nevaru iziet. Vai varu? Es padomāšu. Es domāju, ka varēšu to. Es zinu, par ko domāju. Es zinu, ko šis puisis domā.
Quick, in here!
Lūdzu, ne, Pilbird. Oh my god, no, ir tā nogāzu. Un kā vispār tu tikt, ja istabā, ja tu nevar nokrist tur? Vai varēja nokrist, es nezinu. Tur bija augšā bez jumta.
Everyone, I want you all to welcome our newest student.
Jā.
Late to class.
Nu, piedod, bet man vajag. Nu, es nezinu, par ko jūs runājat. Es taču te atnācu pēc savu bērnu. Es neesmu bērns. Es iešu popular.
Now sit, so we can begin.
Nē, neiešu. Nekad es neiešu, labi, kundze. Iešu. Tikai nedara man pāri.
So, the first lesson of the day is math.
No.
Over the course of the semester, you will learn how to annihilate others, how to safely extract the human brain for eating, and... Oh, wait, I made a mistake. I think that's lesson 4 of the day. For math. Over the course of the semester, you will learn to add, subtract, divide, multiply, and so much more.
Labi.
I am so excited.
Es arī, draugi.
Before we start, let's revise some of the basics.
Labi.
What is 6874123612 plus 9819399?
This is basics, bro.
And remember, wrong answers will be very harshly punished.
No. Labāk viņš.
7, 8, 5, 6,
Jā, pareizi. Ļoti pareizi. Jā, es zinu, esmu tik gudrs.
You Kids are really paying attention today.
Ja, protams, mēs esam draugi.
Next question, and one that I wrote myself. What is 2 plus
Ko
2?
viņa pat uzlika tik viegli lietā?
Correct!
Jā!
Wow, I thought everyone would get it wrong.
Ko? Kā?
Alright, last question
Tas
before
tik
your lunch
grūti.
break.
Šis pirmais bija.
What is misery plus disappointment? My life. Correct!
Ko?
Unfortunately, that's all the time we have for math for the day.
Viņa dzīve ir
Go to your lunch
tieši
break,
tas?
and then we'll start the next
What?
lesson when you come back.
Labi. Es eju. Beidzot var iet prom. Izlaidi mani. Izlaidi no tā trakas vietas. Izlaidi. Labi. Es te palikšu. Oh my god, es te cietumā tagad. Es tagad viņai palīdzu visus, ko kamēr es esmu cietis. Kāpēc? Kāpēc es skolotājs man neļauj iet? Nu. Viņi man paši neļauj neko darīt. Es zinu vēl jūs. Man ļauj vēl strādāt. Nopietni, kāpēc? Kāpēc? Labi, jūs dabūjāt savu košani. Tagad es varu paņemt dolāru from dollar un aiziešu uz veikalu kaut ko nopirkt. Varu naudu. Nē, jūs atdodiet naudu. Labi. Nomiernieties, es izglābu viņa draugu. Notveriet vajā. Yay! Esmu tad cool kids. Yay!
Attention everyone, this announcement concludes your lunch break. Please return to your classes. Also, teachers, please keep in mind that we're on the lookout for a very, very naughty student, believed to be accompanied by a drone. If you catch them, call Principal Banban's office immediately.
Labi. Es esmu.
Hey, you didn't see the person they're talking about, did you? Oh, what am I saying? You're one of the cool
Yay.
kids. Of course you don't talk to ugly, unpopular kids like
Protams.
that. Take a seat with the cool kids where you belong.
Labi, jā, zinu. Yay, cool kids. Jūs labāk par tiem
kids,
nūģiem par
next
maniem
lesson
nerds.
is science.
Labi.
Like we did for math, and since this is the first science lesson of the semester, it will only be a review lesson.
Jūs draugi, jūs
But
tik
first,
forts.
let me introduce you to our classroom rules.
Jā, protams.
No eating, no talking, no breathing, no moving, no asking questions, and no
So like, labi?
I will have to punish you very, very harshly if you break any of those rules.
Jā, zinu.
Back to the review. Let's start with something easy.
Kas? Es
How
uztraucos.
hot is the sun? Stinger flame.
Nē.
Wrong.
Viņa tik ātra. Trying to give me
Since
something.
this is the first science lesson of the semester, it will only be a review lesson. But first, let me introduce you to our classroom rules.
Labi.
No eating, no talking, no breathing, no moving, no asking questions, and no washroom breaks. Remember, I will have to punish you very, very harshly if you break any of those rules. Back to the review. Let's start with something easy. How hot is the sun?
Viņš pateiks.
Nothing's as hot as me.
Viņa smējās.
I'll allow it, but only because it made me laugh and because you're a cool kid. I can tell by your very cool glasses.
Jā.
Next question. How many hearts does an octopus have? Stingerflint. Correct. That's half right, since Stingerflint is close to an octopus. He's a jellyfish. But I'll allow it, since you're a cool kid. Normal octopuses have 3 hearts. We humans have 1. And Stingerflint has... I'm not sure actually, but let's move on. Next question. We have 5 senses. Sight, smell, taste, touch, and...
Scream.
Correct!
Yeah.
Oh, you just made me use my 5th sense. I'll allow it. Unfortunately, that's all the time we have for science for today. Go on to your second break, and then we'll start the next lesson when it's over.
Labi. Labi, kas tagad jādara? Join the kids group. Labi, šis jāapņem. Tad šis. Tad šis. Nopietni. Ko? Es jau domāju, ka paņēmu. Mean Kids. Protams.
Attention everyone. This announcement concludes your second break. Please return to your classes.
Labi.
Oh, wow! 3 new kids in one day? One unpopular kid? Yuck. One cool kid and one mean kid. Welcome! Sit on the table to your left, where you belong, so we can begin.
Labi. Šis ir klases, es samaksāju $2000 par to.
Okay, kids. The next lesson is health and kindness. Just like we did for math and science, it will only be a review lesson. Let's start with some common
Mommy.
knowledge to freshen your stupid brains.
Nē, neesmu stupid
Can
brain.
anyone here give me an example of an unkind person?
Es laikam
I
zinu.
will beat you
Yeah.
to death. Correct.
Yes.
That is a perfect example.
Jā,
Good job.
es zinu. Es gudrs.
Assuming it wasn't directed at me, of course.
Protams. Laikam nav.
This time, can anyone give me an example of a kind person? I will give you immense pain. Correct! Exactly! Giving others things without expecting anything in return is exactly what kindness is.
Labi.
This
Smooth.
class is going to be great! I can feel it! Wait, what was that?
So when is
I
it?
wonder if it's a new student. Nobody move while I check it out.
Ko tu dzirdēji? Es dzirdēju, kad saka, viņa saka hello. Hello. Teica, nav no līnē, lai viņu pasauktu. What? Labi.
No! Not again! I actually tried to be a good teacher this time.
Nē. Protams, es bēgu no skolas. Kā citi mean kids dara. Jā. Tas mean kid. Visi puni skaties maniem. Es domāju, puni. Nāciet pie maniem, nāciet pie redzā. Jā, nāciet pie manis. Esmu galvenais tagad. Tu esi pirmais draudziņš. Es tev paņemšu pie tur, jo tu esi to pelnījis. Tev patīk taču tur, vai ne? Nē. Man nepatīk. Nē, pagaidi. Jā, pagaidi. Es tev teicu, pagaidīt te. Tas putns. Yes. Tagad ir tikai cik atlikuši? Es nezinu. Esmu skaitījis. Es dabūju putnu. Wow, cik easy. Jāskatās, labi, ir jūs 2 putni, draudziņi. Putns. Nomierinies. Tagad prom. Čo je to? Es jau paņēmu, bet noņēmu. Paņēmu. Šis putns tagad ir mani draugi. Šito es paņemšu pie jūsu draudziņiem. Tikai viens šitāds zils, jo, protams, es zinu, kad ir. Tā ir Tartar bird, tētis un Pillbird. Māma, protams. Esse dá bicozinho. Wink, wink, wink. Pois pegue alça. Deze pega cá. Näemstä keycard. Kuinka pedes punster sinu? Arkuri. Beijo noche. No kā? Tagad mums izsūrēties. Tu nāc par tām draudiņiem. Protams, tam man patīk tie. Labi, tad sēdi ārā. Jā, tev patīk? Jā, es tā kustēšu uz apsolu. Labi, jau pilas putni. Bēbīši. Gaidīt mammu. Tā. Jā. Jā. Jā, viņi darījuši tālāk, jo es nevēlas nomiet. Holy crap. Lūdzu, nē. Negali man, lūdzu, negali.
Hello.
Tā. Nu ko? Es tiku jau cēlu. Tu man nenoķersi. Yeah. Tu man nenoķersi slaucelīni. Mierā jādodas. Brīvi ar tevis. Oh my god. Tas bija bailīgi. Šis ir grūti puzle. Tāpat kā Bemlīnas puzle. Labi, paņemšu visus tos, lai ieliktu. Man ir 3. Tagad man ir 4. Vēl vajag 4. Tā. 5. Tā. 6. 7. Un kur pats pēdējais. O, rekur 8. Ir, rekur ir. Ielikšu tagad visu iekšā. Tagad cerās. Tad, draugi, arī varbūt tas mūzika, jā. Kaut kas notiek, jā. Šis to zina, pēc to atgadījumā. Es domāju, kur tu darīs? Vai ir ieroši?
I wanna lose all control tonight. When I see you across that room, I turn into another guy. I've never known the words to say to you, but I just know you feel the same. I can see it in your eyes. It's fate, and we know that the stars have aligned. Girl, it's me and you. Let's break through. Can't wait for another night. I let myself around you. I can barely breathe. I know that you're feeling something, girl. It's obvious to me. You could be my paradise. I could be your kryptonite. I know talk is cheap, but we could fall in love. You never know. You never know. I wanna lose all control tonight. You never know. When I see you across that room, I turn into another guy. I've never known the words to say to you, but I just know you feel the same. I can see it in your eyes. It's fate, and we know that the stars have aligned. Girl, it's me and you. Let's break through. Can't wait for another night. I let myself around you. I can barely breathe. I know that you're feeling something, girl. It's obvious to me. You could be my paradise. I could be your kryptonite. I know talk is cheap, but we could fall in love. You never know. You never know. But I just know you feel the same. I can see it in your eyes. I let myself around you. I can barely breathe. I know that you're feeling something, girl. It's obvious to me. You could be my paradise. I could be your kryptonite. I know talk is cheap, but we could fall in love. You never know. You never know.
Jā, draugi, atcerās. Piemēram, raķeti jūs redzējāt. Ir arī secret tāds, kad vienu raķeti tos paņēma. Es parādīšu. Re, stauslīgi pazudus. Tas savādi. Labi, draugi, skatieties, es iešaušu. Es atvēra īpašu telpulzīju. Un jūs dos man slepenu cepuri? Vai atdevu? Red keycard. Es zinu, kur tas var. Ja parādīja secretu. Tur. Viens durvis. Kur ir viss šis secrets? 3 notes. Devu. Jā, šis viss, arī šis. Kaut kāda istaba. Labi, tagad atgriezīsimies un iesim beigās. Tas bija drusku tā ilgi. Bet nekas būs salbots, vai dabūt vismaz notes, varētu dabūt visu collectibles, ja tu vēlēs, tad es jums parādīju. Dažām varbūt būs secret rooms, varētu visām parādīt, lai zinat, nezinu. Un tagad, jā, tagad ir beigas parkūrs. Protams, tas ir tāds ikā parkūrs. Tas bija grūti, bet tagad viņi salaboja. Es to īstenībā nezināju, ka viņi salabos, jo es zināju, ka tas ir ļoti grūts parkūrs. Nu, ļoti grūti iziet. Tādēļ viņi tagad uztasīja šitā, ka vienkārši beidzot tikām beigās, draugi. Cik skaisti mūzika man patīk. Beidzot. Jā, es zinu daudz, kas notiks. Katrā, protams, daļās ķer kāds, protams, jā, nokritām, bet daudzās daļās ķer. Dažās, protams, savādāk notiek, bet es zinu, ka ķer. Jā, draugi, tu esi tik pie bērnbērna. Ko bērnbērna? Ko tu gribēji?
On a normal day, you'd be standing where I am, behind the safety of this class. Like you were in a zoo watching some animals.
Jā.
Speaking of zoos, it's almost assembly time, where all the doors open, so we must keep this brief. Look, I'm sorry I hit you, but you gotta understand. I needed something from you that I could only get if you were unconscious, and I was all out of sedatives. If you'd seen me, you wouldn't have trusted me, I know it. But there was one thing I didn't like you about, and that's me knowing why you're here. You're here for your children. I too am working towards saving them, you can't believe it. But someone else has them. Someone far stronger than you and me both, that resides deep in the abyss.
Josh?
Oh no, you've gotta go. There's an elevator in Okilaber's walkway. Take it and we'll talk again down there.
Labi. Nu savāc. Oh my god, no. Don't believe me. I'm gonna play. Oh my god. Nē.
You've been a bad student.
No. Yes, be bad student. But the way you do my knock my chance, bro. So you don't knock my chance. Good. Je moet mikkelen. Beet mijn zak weg. Oh my god. I need this bed. Yes! Não apanhei-me. Tô suave. Let's bet with these guys. Go on a bit, baby. Ja, det är ju planen. Vamos dizer what's right. Yes! Sus varēju. Yes! Beigas ir tagad te. Vienmēr šī beidzas spēles ar limitu. Tas nozīmē, ka beidz vienmēr ar liftu. Tas ir liftu. No matter what to do, not to go down there. Not go down there? Kāpēc? Ir daudz kaut kas ir. Cool hat has been unlocked. Labi. Esmu priecīgs. Jā, laba lieta. Thanks for playing. Get sequel here. Labi. Es nezinu, ko darīšu. Bet labi spēle. Labi, draugi. Tiksimies nākamajā video. Gonna ban.